Ever wondered how top photographers make every outfit pop and perfectly blend with their images? Let's dive into mastering outfit color adjustments in Lightroom. First, open your image in Lightroom and head over to the Develop module. Our primary tool here will be the HSL Panel, which stands for Hue, Saturation, and Luminance. Let's start with Hue. This allows us to subtly shift the actual color of the fabric. Identify the dominant color in your outfit. Say, a bright red. Now, grab the eyedropper tool within the HSL panel. Click and drag the eyedropper over that red fabric. You'll notice the red slider in the HSL panel automatically adjusts. Dragging it left or right will change the red's hue towards orange or magenta, helping you find that perfect shade. Next, we move to saturation. This controls the intensity or richness of the color. If your outfit looks a bit dull or overly vibrant, use the saturation sliders to fine-tune it. Again, you can use the targeted adjustment tool to precisely adjust the saturation of specific color ranges. Finally, luminance affects the brightness or darkness of the color. This is great for making an outfit stand out or recede into the background, adding depth and dimension. Sometimes, broad HSL adjustments aren't enough. That's when the selective color adjustment tool comes in handy. You can access it through the gradient and radial filters. Apply a radial or linear gradient filter directly over your outfit. Within the filter settings, you'll find dedicated color sliders, allowing for even more precise adjustments to hue, saturation, and luminance within that masked area. For intricate details or small parts of your clothing, the adjustment brush is your best friend. Paint over the specific area you want to modify, and then use the individual color temperature, tint, hue, and saturation sliders for localized perfection. By combining these powerful tools, HSL, selective color, and the adjustment brush, you can transform your outfit colors to seamlessly blend with your overall image, making every element truly shine. Experiment, explore, and elevate your fashion photography to a new level of visual harmony.